Hi everyone, it's Clyde from Yellow Brick Road here at St. Mary's, your local Wealth Accelerator specialist. Today's video is all about 3 finance tips that I will tell my 20-year-old self. The first finance tip that I will tell my 20-year-old self is to sit with a financial advisor. You see, you're never too young to sit with a financial advisor, because a financial advisor is able to provide guidance and advice and tell you what you need to know, not what you want to know. You know, they'll help with budgeting, they'll help with wealth creation, investment advice, and most importantly, they'll be able to provide you with the knowledge and to understand all the technical jargon that you hear from the TV and read in the newspapers or online. The financial knowledge that one will gain sitting with an advisor will help you throughout your whole life. So that's why I would highly recommend to sit with a financial advisor no matter what. So that's the first thing that I will tell my 20-year-old self, is to sit with a financial advisor and get the knowledge and the understanding of how finance works, because that knowledge will help you throughout the rest of your life. The second thing that I will tell my 20-year-old self is to start making super contributions from day one. You see, most 20-year-olds, when they, if they work, it's either casually or part-time. Making additional super contributions from day one will make a huge difference, when you get older. So, for example, an extra $20 a week will add over $200,000 extra into your super fund over a 40-year term. So, if I was telling my 20-year-old self to make extra contributions, I'll start really, really small, and a $20 per week is not going to make a huge difference in a bank account. So, second thing, to make extra super contributions, because over a long period of time, it makes a huge difference. And the third thing that I'll tell my 20-year-old self is to invest for the long term and not focus on short-term gains. You see, as a 20-year-old or as a young adult, most young adults always focus on the short-term gain. How much can I make now? How much can I make now? What's the quickest, easiest way to make money? I'll tell my 20-year-old self that investing is a long-term process. You want to look for companies that produce really good income, positive, really good profits, and they reinvest that money back into the company. And it's always a long-term investment. It's never a short-term gain. So they're my 3 finance tips that I would give my 20-year-old self. Number 1, sit with a financial advisor so I can understand the basics of finance. Number 2 is to make extra super contributions, because over time that will make a huge difference. And finally, focus on long-term investing or long-term gains, not short-term profits. So that's it for this week. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like what you hear, if any of your family or friends may benefit, please pass on the video to them. If you have any other comments, please write them down below. And finally, remember, I'm dedicated to helping you take actionable steps today for a better financial tomorrow. See you all next week. Bye-bye.